But this is clear. So this is end of this match. Win for Hardashura 11. Not only win, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. This is a great comeback by the bowlers of So this is end of this match. Win for Hardashura 11. They qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup third edition. This is great bowling by the bowlers of Hardashura 11. So this is end of this live stream. So this is end of this live stream. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Actually, groom by this para baki na short hai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again. This is a T20 third edition played at Shukatulba ground. Today's match is between Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura. First Hardashura win the toss and they decided to bat first. They give the target of 179 runs to Chukar Zalmi. This is a very important quarter match of this T20 Super Cup, which team will be qualified for semi-finals in this T20 third edition played at Shukatulba ground. Very important match today. Mohsin Mir, hi, thank you Mohsin Mir sir for joining us with this live broadcast. The batters man on strike is Tawfiq Noor is on strike. Mohsin Mir, hello, thank you Mohsin Mir sir. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. कोठरी Mohsin Mir, Bilal Bhai, Chico, thank you Mohsin Mir sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Tawfiq Noor on strike. Very good delivery. With the batsman Noor on score. Mohsin Mir Manigam वालों ने विन किया. Mohsin Mir साहब sorry they lost that final at Srivalpura. This is out here. Very good fielding at the end by the fielders and run out taken by the fielder. End of Mehraj Dar. Second wicket. वानीगाम ने वो मैच हारा आज श्रीवालपुरा ग्राउंड जो फाइनल मुकाबला था. वानीगाम वालों ने विन किया नहीं, उन्होंने वो फाइनल हारा आज. 134 runs need Chukar Zalmi in 95 deliveries. This is Sajjad Ahmed, the new batsman. Very good delivery by the bowler Umar Hamid. Beat the batsman. No runs. Score remains on 40 for the last up to. This is a very important match of this T20 third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are again very good delivery, but good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. Only a single. The score moves to 41 for the last of 2. Mohsin Mir Wanigam lost that match by 14 runs. And again, this is good delivery. No run score remains on 41 for the last of 2. This is T20 quarter between the two teams, Chukar Zalmi and Hardashura. Again, the batsman wants to hit this ball, but beat the batsman. Very good delivery by the bowler. No run. Score remains on 41 for the last of 2. Which team will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup? Here is good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq Ul-Noor. This is 6 for the batsman Tawfiq Ul-Noor. The score moves to 47 for the last of 2. This is great hit. Great shot played by the batsman. अगर हम बात करेंगे स्कोर कार्ड की, लाला हमीद ही इज आउट. ही मेक ओनली 2 runs in 7 deliveries. Tawfiq Ul-Noor he is on 39 runs. Sataji and Mehraj he lost his wicket. He make only 4 runs. Sajjad is on non-strike and Munir Raja 32 runs in 17 deliveries. Faisal Ashraf 25 runs in 24 deliveries. Muzaffar Raja 12. Adil Nazir he make 6 runs and Umar Hamid he make 29 runs. Nasir Sheikh 22 runs. Adil Hamid 2. Nadeem Rasool he make 17 runs. Asif Hamid he make 13 runs for his team and give the target of 174 runs to Chukar Zalmi. Now Chukar Zalmi they need 127 runs in 90 deliveries. Mohsin Mir kitna runs hai? Rasik Dar Sajjad is on the way. Thank you Rasik Dar Sahab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is very important match of this tournament played at Chukar Tulba ground, third edition. The quarter final between the two teams, Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this tournament? Now Nadeem Rasool Sheikh is on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajjad Dar. He's on. Sajjad Ahmed he's on strike. Chukar Zalmi they need 127 runs. Here's a chance of a catch, but this is no man's land. This is no man's land. The two batsmen take a single. Nadeem again to the batsman Tawfiq. Oh no, very good delivery. Beat किया यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा नदीम के दौरान. Beat the batsman Tawfiq Ul-Noor. He is on 39 in 16 deliveries. Again Nadeem to the batsman Tawfiq. Again good shot. अंदर आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 run. This is 6 for Tawfiq Ul-Noor. Very good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq. He moves to 45 runs in 17 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals? This will be seen after this evening. This is Nadeem Rasool Sheikh is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq Ul-Noor. He's on 45. Again good shot, but very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen take a single here. Very good running. The score moves to 55 for the last of 2. Nadeem Gul, Nadeem sir, keep it up. Thank you Nadeem sir for joining us with this live broadcast. The Rasik Dar Sajjad is on fire. Thank you. Now Nadeem Rasool, he's again on his ball to the batsman Sajjad. Again good delivery, beat the batsman Sajjad. No run score remains on 55 for the last of 2. This is a very important match of this T20 third edition played at Chukar Tulba. Again here was the appeal but cannot impress the umpire. This is 6 overs complete. After 6 overs the score on board is 55 for the last of 2. The organization body of this tournament is Mr. Shahnawaz Abdul Hamid and Tawfiq Noor. This is second round of this T20 Super Cup third edition played at Sukatul Bagh ground. iPhone. Videos में कैसा फर्क? ताइवस मस्ती फर्क कैसा? The score is 55 runs for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस आम कबरे का आम मैच का मजा ले। नाउ द न्यू बॉलर इज ऑन bowling mark is Umar Hamid is a new bowler. He is on his third over. He give 11 runs in 2 overs and take 1 wicket. Tawfiq Noor, he is on strike. He is on 46 runs. Mir Mudassir target kitna hai Bilal bhai? Thank you Mir Mudassir for joining us. The total target is 175 runs. Tawfiq Noor, he is on strike. Oh, I can good shot. And this is 50 for Tawfiq Noor. Very good knock. 50 runs for Tawfiq Noor. This is 50 up. 50 for Tawfiq Noor. 19 deliveries and make a 50 with the help of 3 fours and 6 sixes. The score moves to 59 for the loss of 2. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman Tawfiq. Oh, the batsman wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery. Good comeback by the bowler Abdul Hamid. Umar Hamid beat the batsman, no run. Score remains on 59 for the loss of 2. This is again Umar to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, very good delivery. No run, third delivery. Score remains on 59 for the loss of 2. This is a very important match of this T20 Super Cup under 9 third edition. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman Tawfiq Noor playing very good shot. Dandanata hua सीमा रेखा से पास 4 रन Tawfiq के बल्ले से. He moves to 54 runs. With this score, the score moves to 63 for the loss of 2. This is a 7th over in process. Now they need 111 runs in 80 deliveries and they have 8 wickets in hand. Umar Hamid, he is again to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Tawfiq plays another shot, but at the end very good fielding. Only a single for the two batsmen. The score moves to 64 for the loss of 2. This is a great knock played by the batsman Tawfiq Noor. He is on 55 in 23 deliveries. Sajjad Ahmed, he is on strike. Umar to Sajjad. Oh, good shot, very good shot. Quality shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन Sajjad Ahmed के बल्ले से. With this score, the score moves to 68 runs for the loss of 2 after 7 overs. So this is a great shot played by the batsman Sajjad. The total target is 175 runs. Now they need 106 in 78 deliveries and they have 8 wickets in hand. This is a very important match of this tournament played at Sukatul Bagh ground. The two teams are Shukar Zalmi versus Hardishura. After 18 overs, Hardishura gave the total target of 174 runs to Shukar Zalmi. 68 runs. Tawfiq, he is on strike. Again, good shot played by the batsman, but at that very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 69 for the loss of 2. This is Sajjad Ahmed on strike. Nadeem Rasool Sheikh, he is on bowling mark. Oh, good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन Sajjad के बल्ले से. Very good shot played by the batsman. 4 रन दर्ज किए Sajjad ने अपने टीम के लिए. The score moves to 73 for the loss of 3. This is very important match of this tournament. Very good shot played by the batsman Sajjad. This is a 4 by the batsman Sajjad. Nadeem Rasool, he is again on his bowling mark. Now they need only 101 runs in 76 deliveries. There you go, drum. Drum, drum, Again, good shot played by the batsman Sajjad, but and very good fielding. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 74 for the loss of 2 wickets. This is the 8th over in process. Great shot, Yara. Thank you, Mir Musa, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Tawfiq Noor. He's on strike. He's on 56. Oh, very good delivery by Nadeem Rasool Sheikh. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 74 for the loss of 2. Which team will qualify in the semi-final of this tournament? This is again a good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good running. This is good run by Tawfiq Noor and Sajjad Ahmad. With this run, the score moves to 75 for the loss of 2. Nadeem, he's on his last delivery to the batsman Sajjad. He's on 11 runs. Again, good delivery. No run score on board is 75 for the loss of 2 after 8 overs. 99 runs in 72 deliveries, and they have 8 wickets in hand. The partnership is on 35 runs in 24 deliveries. This is very important match of this tournament. Quarter final between the two teams. Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura. First, Hardashura they give the total target of 175 runs to Chukar Zalmi. After 8 overs, the score on board is 75 for the loss of 2. Now they need only 99 runs in 72 deliveries. This is a very important match of this tournament. Nadeem Rasool Sheikh, he completed 2 overs and give 15 runs. Umar Hamid, he completed 3 overs and give 24 runs at take 1 wicket. नमनमत 207 बालों। आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले उस अहम मुकाबले का अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले। दिस इज Tawfiq Noor on strike. He's on 57 runs. On bowling mark, Nasir.
यहाँ पर नासिर खेलते हुए यहाँ पे नासिर खेलते हुए
तौफीक
यहाँ पर तौफीक खेलते हुए देखेंगे क्या इस बॉल पे छक्का मार पाएंगे या क्या कर पाएंगे इस बॉल पे। तो बॉलर तैयार बॉलिंग करने के लिए, तो बल्लेबाज भी वैसे।
This is the bowler on bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq Noor wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by the bowler. Beat the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Totally no runs score remains on 75 for the loss of 2. Which team will be qualified for the semi-finals of this T20 third edition played at Chukartulba ground? Nasir again to the batsman. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. दंडनाता हुआ सीमारे का से बाहर 4 रन Tawfiq Noor के बल्ले से। This is a great shot played by the batsman Tawfiq Noor.
क्या शॉट था, इस शॉट की अगर तारीफ की जाए बहुत ही कम है।
अगर इस शॉट की तारीफ की जाए तो बहुत ही कम है। This is very good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq. He moves to 61 runs in 28 deliveries. King side change karo Bilal by network issue. Thank you King Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Nasir Sheikh again to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Again wants to hit this ball. Tawfiq Noor और एक बार मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट क्या यहाँ पे बॉलर ने। This is good comeback by the bowler Nasir Sheikh. Beat the batsman Tawfiq Noor. The batsman Tawfiq Noor, he's on 61 with the help of 5 fours and 6 sixes. He's again on strike. Now they need only 95 runs in 69 deliveries and they have 8 wickets in hand. Nasir again to the batsman. This is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 80 runs for the loss of 2. Now they need only 94 runs in 69 deliveries. Here the two batsmen need a partnership because they have a huge total 174. Oh, this is great shot. दंडनाता हुआ सीमारे का से बाहर 6 रन Tawfiq के बल्ले से. This is great hit by the batsman Tawfiq Noor. He moves to 67. With this 6, the score moves to 92 for the loss of 2. This is a great shot played by the batsman Tawfiq Noor. He's on a good touch. Now they need only 88 runs in 68 deliveries. Tawfiq Noor, he's on fire today with the help of 7 6 and 4 fours. He's on 67 runs. This is again Nasir Sheikh to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but no man is land. The two batsmen completed a single. With this single, the score moves to 87 for the loss of 2. The partnership moves on 47 in 29 deliveries. This is a great partnership between the two, Sajjad and Tawfiq. Now Sajjad is on strike. Oh, this is great bowling by
What is a
Nasir Sheikh.
ball?
Beautiful bowling by Nasir Sheikh. Beat the batsman. No run score remains on 87 for the loss of 2. This is the end of 9 overs.
बहुत ही कड़ी टक्कर चुक्कर और हदशूद के बीच में, इनके दरमियान बहुत ही कड़ी टक्कर। चुक्कर और चुक्कर और हदशूद के बीच में कड़ी टक्कर इस वक्त चल रही है। देखते हैं कि कौन सी टीम इस वक्त जीतेगी
और सेमीफाइनल्स में अपना जगह बनाएगी। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच ऑफ दिस T20 Super Cup third attempt played at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Zalmi versus Hardashura. The score on board is 87 for the last of 2. This is Nadeem Sheikh again to the batsman. Tawfiq Noor plays very good. This is a good delivery by Nadeem Rasool Sheikh. No run score remains on 87 for the last of 2. Nadeem Rasool, he's again to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, this is killed by the batsman. This is end of beautiful catch at the end by the fielder. So this is end of the batsman Tawfiq Noor. This is great delivery, great catch at the end. Chukkar Zalmi, they lost their third wicket in the shape of Tawfiq Noor. This is great knock by batsman Tawfiq Noor. 68 runs in 32 deliveries. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Bhai is the new batsman for Chukkar Zalmi.
ये एक बहुत अच्छा कैच था।
एक अच्छा कैच लपेटा फील्डर ने, क्योंकि ये कैच नहीं है, ये मैच है। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this tournament? It will be seen after this evening. This is 87 runs need in 64 deliveries. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Bhai.
नया बैट्समैन बल्लेबाजी के लिए आ रहा है। बहुत ही जोश में है नए बैट्समैन।
He is a game changer of this team.
देखते हैं कि ये मैच को जिता
किस तरह का खेल यहाँ पे नदीम भाई खेलेंगे, ये देखना होगा अगले ओवर्स में, बिकॉज 3 विकेट्स दे लॉस्ट and they have only 87 runs on board. Now they need 87 runs in 64 deliveries and they have 7 wickets in hand. This is great catch at the end by the fielder.
नए बैट्समैन
Nasir Sheikh.
बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए।
Nadeem, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Nadeem Bhai is the new batsman. He is also the game changer of this team Chukkar Zalmi. Before this he plays very well knock here. Now he need to be cool and calm because they need only 87 runs in 64 deliveries. They have 7 wickets in hand. Ishfaq, nice. Thank you, Ishfaq, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Nadeem to the batsman, Nadeem Bhai. Oh, this is great delivery. Here's yes, no, but at the end, the two batsmen complete a single. Very good running between the two batsmen, Nadeem and Sajjad. The score moves to 88 for the last of 3. Nadeem Rasool Sheikh is again on his bowling mark to the batsman, Sajjad Tar. Oh, good shot, very good shot, and very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे सूखे रन पड़े. This is great fielding at the end by the fielder. Score remains on 88 for the last of 3. This is again Nadeem to the batsman. Very good delivery.
बैट्समैन ने बॉल को बड़े ही अच्छे से रोका है।
Ishfaq, nice. Thank you, Ishfaq sahab. Mir Mudassir, oh, shot, wallah. Yeah, thank you, Mir Mudassir, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Nadeem Rasool to the batsman Sajjad Ahmed. Oh, मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 रन मिलेंगे बल्लेबाज को. This is great. This is valuable runs for Chukkar Zalmi. The score moves to 92 for the last of 3 after 9.5 overs. So this is end of 10 over. 92 on board for the last of 3. Now they need only 82 runs in 60 deliveries. And they have 7 wickets in hand. Sir, This is a very important match of this T20 third edition played at Chukartulba ground. The organization body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Lala, Tawfiq Al-Noor and Shahnawaz. This is a quarter final between the two teams. After 10 overs, the total target is 175 runs. After 10 overs, Chukar Zalmi, they have 92 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. Now they need only 82 runs in 60 deliveries.
बॉलर गेंदबाजी करने के लिए तैयार.
Now Sadi Ishfaq Dar is on strike and Sajjad Ahmed is on non-strike end. The bowler is Nasir Sheikh is on his bowling mark. He's on his second over. First over he gave 12 runs in his first over. Now he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. 82 runs in 60 deliveries. कौन इस मैच में फतह करेगी? आप क्या लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे तो लगता है जिस हिसाब से चुकर खेल रहे हैं उस हिसाब से चुकर ही जीतेगा.
चलो हम आशा करते हैं कि चुकर जीत पाएगी इस टीम को because they are in driving seat. They have 92 runs on board and they lost only 3 wickets. Now Nasir Sheikh again to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. Oh, this is good delivery, very good delivery by the bowler Nasir Sheikh. But at the end the two batsmen complete a single. With this single the score moves to 93 runs for the loss of 3. This is 11th over in process. 81 runs in 59 deliveries. And they have 7 wickets in hand. Nasir Sheikh again to the batsman Sajjad Ahmed. He's on 15 runs. Oh, this is a full toss delivery and here is a chance of a catch, but this is no man's net. And this is 4 for the batsman, 4 for Chukar Zalmi, and also no ball given by the umpire. This is free hit.
फील्डर कैच पकड़ सकता था मगर ये फ्री हिट दी गई.
This was no ball given by the umpire. Very good umpiring by the umpire Nadeem Akbar. He's on umpiring today. The score moves to 98 for the loss of 3 after 10.1 over. Now Nasir Sheikh again to the batsman Sajjad Ahmed. He's on 19. Again good shot played by the batsman.
Beautiful shot.
And very good fielding. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single the score moves to 99 for the loss of 3. This is 11th over in process. Nasir Sheikh, he's on his bowling mark again. To the batsman Ishfaq Dar, he's on 2. Sajjad Ahmed, he's on 20 in 16 deliveries. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले इस मैच का अहम मुकाबले का मजा ले. This is again Nasir Sheikh to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. This is wide, I think. This is wide given by the umpire. The score moves to, this is 100 up for Chukar Zalmi. Now they need only 73 runs to win this match. Not only win, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this G20. This is again Nasir Sheikh to the batsman. Oh, here a very good delivery by the bowler Nasir Sheikh. Beat the batsman. This is great comeback by the bowler. The score remains on 101 for the loss of 3 after 10.3 hours. Nasir Sheikh is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajjad Ahmed. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमारे के पार 6 रन सज्जाद अहमद के बल्ले से. This is great hit by the batsman Sajjad. The score moves to 107 for the loss of 3. This is a great shot. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is Nasir Sheikh again. He's very expensive in this over. He's again on his over, on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajjad. He's on 26 runs with the help of 1-6 and 4 fours. Nasir Sheikh. Oh, again the batsman wants to seize the ball, but here is a appeal, but cannot impress the umpire. No run total. The score remains on 107 for the loss of 3. This is 11th over in process. Nasir again to the batsman Sajjad. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. Very good shot and then very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single the score moves to 108 after 11 overs for the loss of 3. This is Ishfaq Dar, he's on 2, and Sajad Ahmad, he's on 27. The partnership is on 21 runs in 11 deliveries. Nasir Sheikh, he completed his over and gave 28 runs in 2 overs. Now they need only 66 runs in 54 deliveries and they have 7 wickets in hand. Wahid Bashir, Sajad Kush, thank you. Wahid Bashir साहब, Sajad is beta of this team. इसको हम बेटा के नाम से पुकारते हैं. He is on non-strike and on non-strike and Ishfaq Dar. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. Ishfaq, nice, thank you Ishfaq साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. Wahid Bashir, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. This is very important match of this T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tolba ground. The two teams are Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura. First, Hardashura opted to bat first. They gave the target of 175 runs to Chukar Zalmi. After 11 overs, the score on board is 108 for the loss of 3. Now they need only 66 runs in 54 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this T20 third edition, which is played at Chukar Tolba ground. Now Asif Hamid is on bowling mark. Asif Hamid is the bowler to the batsman Sajad Ahmad. He's on strike. Now this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. The score moves to 109 for the loss of 3. This is again Asif Hamid to the batsman Sajad Ahmad. Oh, this is again wide. I think this is also wide. Asif Hamid is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but at the end this is no man's land. Very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 112 for the loss of 3. This is a 12th over in process. Now they need only 62 runs in 53 deliveries, and they have 7 wickets in hand. Asif again to the batsman Sajad. He's on 27. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding. Oh, here's a good fielding. Very good fielding by the fielder, but the two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 113 for the loss of 3. यहाँ पे एक मौका बनता था, लेकिन कवा बेटे एक अच्छी ट्राई की बॉलर ने Now Asif Hamid, he's on his bowling mark again to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. Oh, this is great delivery by the bowler. Beat the batsman. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे beat किया बल्लेबाज इशफाक डार को. The score remains on 113 for the loss of 3. Now they need only 61 runs in 51 deliveries. This is again Asif Hamid on his bowling mark to the batsman Ishfaq Dar. Oh, the batsman plays a hand shot. Here is a misfielding at the end. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 114 for the loss of 3. This is 12th over in process. The two batsmen Sajad and Ishfaq. Partnership is on 27 in 15 deliveries. Now Sajad, he is on strike. He is on 28 in 21 deliveries. This is Asif again to the batsman Sajad Ahmad. Oh, लेकिन this is great delivery. Beat किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज सजाद अहमद को. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन दाद देने होगी बॉलर की आसिफ हमीद की. Dot delivery, no run score remains on 114 for the loss of 3. 60 runs in 49 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this T20? This is Asif Hamid again to the batsman Sajad. Oh, again very good delivery. The batsman wants to hit this ball but missed this shot. Ball goes into the close of wicket keeper. This is a great delivery. After 12 overs, the score is 114 for the loss of 3. Now 60 runs in 48 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कौन सी टीम सेमीफाइनल्स में अपनी जगह बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. This is very important match of this T20 Super Cup third edition, which is played at Chukar Tolbagh ground. हसीन सरजमीन चुकर के इस हसीन सरजमीन पे खेला जा रहा है. The score on board is 114 for the loss of 3 after 12 overs. The partnership is on 27 in 17 deliveries. Mir Mudassir Ishfaq Dar Kuch. Thank you Mir Mudassir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a high voltage match today between the two teams. Umar Fayaz, assalamu alaikum janab, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Umar Fayaz sahab, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Ishfaq Dar on strike, and on bowling mark is Nadeem Rasool Sheikh. Now they need only 60 runs in 48 runs. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Ishfaq Dar at and very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने अपनी टीम के लिए. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 115. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. अच्छी फील्डिंग का मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे फील्डर के दौरान. Only a single for the batsman. The score moves to 116 for the loss of 3. Nadeem Rasool is again on his bowling mark. To the batsman Ishfaq Dar. Oh, this is a chance of a catch here. Very good catch at the end by the batsman fielder. This is out. Ishfaq Dar, he lost his wicket. He make only 5 runs. Chukar Zalmi, they lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Ishfaq Dar. This is a great bowling, great catching at the end by the fielder. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Bhai, the game changer of this Chukar Zalmi. This batsman need to be cool and calm. This batsman need to be stay here because this is very important match of this tournament. This is a quarter final. Which team will be qualifying the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup of third edition played at Chukar Tolbagh ground. Now they need only 58 runs and 45 deliveries, and they have 6 wickets in hand. Nadeem Bhai is the new batsman, and Sajjad Ahmed is on non-strike, and he is on 29 in 24 deliveries. The partnership goes, and very good delivery by Nadeem Sheikh. He takes his second wicket. Umar Fayaz, who? Thank you, Umar Fayaz for this again. Nadeem to the batsman. Nadeem Bhai plays a good shot. This is first 4 on his first delivery by Nadeem Bhai, the game changer of Chukar Zalmi. Here is some love from the fan Muzammil to Nadeem Bhai. This is a 4 by Nadeem Bhai. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 120 for the last of 4. They need 54 runs in 44 deliveries. Nadeem Rasool, he is again on his bowling mark. He is on his 4th over. To the batsman Nadeem Bhai, he is on 4. He opens his account with this 4 on his first delivery. Again, oh, there was the chance of a catch, but this is luck for Nadeem Bhai. यहाँ पे कैच गवाया फील्डर ने. एक मौका बनता था यहाँ पे विकेट लेने का, लेकिन गवाया एक बड़ा विकेट नदीम भाई का. This was not only a catch, this was a match also. This is again Nadeem Bhai to the batsman Sajjad. Very good delivery by Nadeem. This is 13 overs completed. The score is 121 for the last of 4. They need 53 runs in 42 deliveries, and they have 6 wickets in hand. Truanza. Nadeem Rasool Sheikh, he completed his 4 overs and give 27 runs and take 2 wickets. Very good bowling by Nadeem. Asif Hamid is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He is on 5 runs in 2 deliveries with the half of 1-4. These 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they lost 4 wickets, and also this is very important match, quarter final. If this is again Asif Hamid to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but this is a very good delivery by Asif Hamid. कंधों पे बॉल लगने के बाद बॉल बच गए यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज. 121 for the loss of 4 after 13.1 over. This is the second over of this bowler Asif Hamid. He's on his second over to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा के पास 6 रन नदीम भाई के बल्ले से. This is a great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. I also tell you he is a game changer of this team Chukar Zalmi. If this player will be sitting here in 2-3 hours, this will be different of this match because he is a very talented, energetic player of this team Chukar Zalmi. Nadeem Bhai, game changer of this team. Now he moves to 11 runs with the help of 1 huge 6 and 1-4. Umar Paya Chukar will win inshallah. Thank you Umar Paya sir for your love to Chukar Zalmi. This is Asif Hamid again to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He is on 11 runs in 4 deliveries. Oh, again the batsman wants to see his ball, but this is great comeback by the bowler Asif Hamid. Beat the batsman Nadeem Bhai. No run. Score remains on 127 for the loss of 4. Mir Mudassir shot hai. Yara chin sulai. Thank you Mir Mudassir sir for your love to Nadeem Bhai. He is on strike. This batsman, he is very capable of making runners. This is again Asif Hamid to the batsman. This is again good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. The 2 batsmen take only a single. With the single, the score moves to 128 for the loss of 4. 46 runs in 38 deliveries. They have 6 wickets in hand. This is again Asif Hamid to the batsman Sajjad Ahmed. Oh, मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट किया यहाँ पे. एक मौका यहाँ पे विकेट गंवाई सजाद ने. This is great bowling, great catching at the end by the wicket keeper. This is end of Sajjad. Chukar Zalmi, they lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Sajjad. 29 runs by Sajjad Ahmed. Now the new batsman is Jamil Jedi. He is on strike. They need 46 runs in 37 deliveries and they have 5 wickets in hand. Which team will be qualified for the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition? It will be seen after this. This is very important match, crucial match of this tournament between the 2 teams. Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura 11. First Hardashura take you the target of 175 runs to Chukar Zalmi. 128 runs on board and they lost 5 after 13.5 overs. Now the new batsman is Jamil, जिसको हम जेडी के नाम से जाना चाहते हैं. He is on strike now. Asif Hamid, he takes his first wicket in his second over. Oh, this is again good delivery. The batsman Jamil Jedi plays very good shot for 4. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पास 4 रन Jamil Jedi के बल्ले से. He opens his account with this 4. This is great shot played by the batsman Jedi. The score moves to 132 for the loss of 5 after 14 overs. Now they need only 42 runs in 36 deliveries and they have 5 wickets in hand. Team 36 balls, 46 runs need. Shukar Zalmi. Mir Mudassir call shot, thank you. Mir Mudassir. Shukar Zalmi, they need 42 runs in 36 deliveries. This is end of 14 overs. Now 6 overs are remaining in this second inning of this quarter final. Very important match. The team who win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup third edition, played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Now the new bowler is Muzaffar Raja. He's on his third over. To the batsman Nadeem Bhai is on strike. He's on 12 runs in 6 deliveries. Muzaffar Raja, he's on his bowling mark. To the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. The two batsmen complete 2 runs here. Very good running between the wickets by the two batsmen Nadeem Bhai and JD. The score moves to 134 for the loss of 5. They need only 40 runs in 35 deliveries to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is Muzaffar Raja is again to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Oh, this is again good shot at the end. Missed by the fielder. Nandan आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन नदीम भाई के बल्ले से. This is a great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. The score moves to 138 for the loss of 5. Nadeem Bhai, he moves to 18 in 8 deliveries. Muzaffar Raja, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Nadeem Bhai, he is on 18 runs. Oh, this is clean bowled. Slow delivery by Muzaffar Raja. This is clean bowled. Dande baar ke Nadeem Bhai ke. This is a great bowling by Muzaffar Raja. Clean bowled the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Shukar Zalmi, they lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Nadeem Bhai. He make only 18 runs. This is end of Nadeem Bhai. Muzaffar Raja इस बॉलर ने जान फूंक दी इस मैच में. नदीम भाई की विकेट चटकाई यहाँ पे. Now they need only 4 wickets to win this match. And Chukar Zalmi, they need 36 runs in 33 deliveries. This is a high voltage match between the two teams. Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura 11. Hardashura need only 4 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. If they win this match, they will take 4 early wickets. Chukar Zalmi, they need only 36 runs in 33 deliveries. This is Abdul Ahad. He's on strike now. The senior most cricketer of this team. इससे पहले भी अगर हम बात करेंगे, इससे पहले भी एक अच्छी विन दिलाई अपनी टीम को इस बल्लेबाज ने. Now he is on strike again. Umar Fayaz, wow, still he is doing the same balls. Raja back, thank you. Umar Fayaz, so far you are allowed to Muzaffar Raja. Muzaffar Raja, he's again on his bowling mark to the new batsman Abdul Ahad. Oh, this is a slow delivery. Full toss delivery, very good delivery at the end. The two batsmen wants to hit this ball. No runs score. Settle remains on 138 for the loss of 6. Muzaffar Raja, he's again to the batsman Abdullah Had. Solo one delivery, full toss delivery. Here's an appeal, but this is end of the batsman Abdullah Had. Very good delivery, solo one delivery. Here was the appeal at the end. The umpire gives up his finger. Very good bowling by Muzaffar Raja. He takes 2 wickets in this over. This is end of Abdullah Had. They lost their 7th wicket. Now they have 3 wickets in hand, and they need 36 runs in 31 deliveries. This bowler Muzaffar Raja, he takes 2 wickets in this over. Great bowling, slower delivery, and take the wicket of Abdullah. Now the new batsman is Rupir is the new batsman for Chukar Zalmi. They need only 36 runs. Pass. इस बॉलर ने इस मैच में जान फूंक दी मुजफ्फर राजा ने. Very good comeback by the bowler Muzaffar Raja. He takes 2 wickets in this over. Now the new batsman is Rupir on the strike, and is Cherry. They need 36 runs in 31 deliveries. Which team will be qualifies in the semi-finals? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कौन सी टीम इस मुकाबले में जीत दर्ज कर पाएगी. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. This is a very important match of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition played at Chukkar Toba ground. Now the new batsman is Rupir on strike. Muzaffar Raja, he is on his last delivery of his 3rd over. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कौन सी टीम इस मुकाबले में जीत दर्ज कर पाएगी. This is Muzaffar Raja to the batsman Rupir. Another good delivery by Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman Rupir. The batsman wants to hit this ball. This is up 15 overs completed. The score is 138 for the loss of 7. They need 36 in 30 deliveries. They have only 3 wickets in hand. This is very high voltage match between the two teams. Chukar Zalmi versus Hattushura 11. Now these two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they have only 3 wickets in hand. They need 36 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition. अगर हम बात करेंगे हरदशुरा की, उनको 3 विकेट लेने हैं इस मैच में जीत दर्ज करने के लिए. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा. गुड कमबैक बाय द बॉलर मुजफ्फर राजा. He take 2 wickets in his 3rd over. Very good bowling. Comeback is very good by the bowler. Now the new bowler is on bowling mark to the batsman. JD is on strike. King Roop, thank you King Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. King 6, thank you King Saab for your love to Chukar Zalmi. This is a very high voltage match today between the two teams. Quarter final. The team who win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition played at Chukkar Toba ground. The organization body of this tournament, they are Mr. Shahnawaz, Mr. Abdul Hamid Lala, and also Tawfiq Noor. Very good tournament organized by the umpires at this Chukkar Toba ground. Now Umar Hamid is the bowler. He is on his 4th over to the batsman JD. He is on strike. He is on 4 runs. Can this batsman JD will give the win to his team? It will be seen. This batsman is very talented and aggressive batsman of this team Chukar Zalmi. यहाँ पे दरकार है इस बल्लेबाज जेडी की आज अपने टीम को, क्योंकि मुश्किलात हालात में है इस वक्त चुकर जालमी की टीम. They need 36 runs in 30 deliveries. Umar Hamid is on his bowling mark to the batsman Jamil. Jamil is on strike. This is great delivery, very good delivery by the bowler. The batsman played the shot, and then very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen complete only a single. With this single, the score moves to 139 for the loss of 7. Now they need only 35 runs in 29 deliveries. Umar Hamid again. Rupir plays a shot here. Can they take this catch? This is no. Oh! This is great catch at the end by the fielder. Nadeem Sheikh take a good catch at the end. End up the batsman Rupir. They lost their 8th wicket in the shape of Roopmeer. Great bowling, great catching by the fielder Nadeem, the captain of this team. Now the new batsman is Yasir Mir. 35 runs in 28 deliveries, and they have only 2 wickets in hand. This is great comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura 11, especially Muzaffar Raja. He take 2 wickets in his third over, and also Umar Hamid, he take this wicket of Roopmeer. Very good catching at the end by the fielder Nadeem Sheikh. यहाँ पे जान फूंक दी इस फील्डर नदीम शेख ने अपने इस टीम में. अब 2 विकेट दरकार है इस जीत के लिए, ना कि जीत दर्ज करने के लिए, क्योंकि दिस इज आल्सो which team will win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. Now the new batsman is Yasir Mir. He is on strike. This is Umar Hamid again to the batsman Yasir Mir. Oh, again very good delivery. The 2 batsmen complete a single. Yasir Mir, he opens his account with this single. Now they need only 34 runs in 28 deliveries, 27 deliveries. King Yasir Mir is on fire. Thank you. King T20 Super Under 19 tournament 3rd edition. Inshallah, first match on Tuesday. Inshallah, I hope so. The T20 Under 19 tournament match will be start on Tuesday. Inshallah. But today is a very important match of this tournament. Chukar Zalmi versus Hardashura 11. The team who win this match, they will also qualify for the semi-finals. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman JD. Oh, the batsman plays a shot at the end. We still the 2 batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 140. 41 for the loss of 8. They need only 33 runs in 26 deliveries. This is very high voltage match today between the 2 teamers. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman Yasir Mir. Oh, this is a beat here. Very good bowling by Umar Hamid, but cannot impress the umpire Shahnawaz. This is great bowling. The score remains on 141 for the loss of 8. Now they need only 33 runs. Yasir Mir, संभाल के खेलना होगा इस बल्लेबाज को. Mir Mudassir, they are trying to hit, but they cannot hit this ball. This is again Umar Hamid. Very good bowling, but this is wide and also missed by wicketkeeper by 4. This is lucky runs for Chukar Zalmi. The score moves to 146 for the loss of 8. 28 runs in 25 deliveries, and they have 2 wickets in hand. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals? Put your positive comments in the comment section. This is again Umar Hamid to the batsman Yasir Mir. Oh, and here was a chance, but this is no man in that. Here is a good fielding at the end. This is great fielding. End of 16 overs. The score is 146 for the loss of 8. 140. October. So this is very crucial match, important match of this tournament, and this is good comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura 11. They take early wickets, especially Muzaffar Raja. Nadeem Sheikh take a crucial catch here of the bowler batsman Roopmeer, and the bowling of Umar Hamid. Umar Hamid completes his 4 overs and give 32 runs and take 2 crucial wickets. Now 4 overs are remaining and they need only 28 runs. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. Here was some tips by the senior batsman Mehraj sir to the batsman JD. He is on strike. This batsman has much more capability to win this match. They have only 2 wickets. Umar Fayaz Chukar will win until Chemi will be there on crease. Thank you, Umar Fayaz sir, for your love to JD, for your love to Chukar Zalmi. But this is very good comeback by the bowlers of Hardashura 11. Now the new bowler is Muzaffar Raja is again. He's on his last over. To the batsman JD, he's on strike. He's on 6 runs. This is Muzaffar Raja to the batsman Jamil JD. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman JD. Dot delivery. No run score remains on 146 for the loss of 8. 28 runs in 23 deliveries. Which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup? It will be seen after 23 deliveries. This is again Muzaffar Raja to the batsman JD. यहाँ पे मौका बनता था. This is a single for the two batsmen. The score moves to 147 for the loss of 8. Now they need only 27 runs in 22 deliveries, and they have 2 wickets in hand. Yasir Mir, he's on strike now. Muzaffar Raja, he's on his last over to the batsman Yasir Mir. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. This is a missed also by wicketkeeper. The two batsmen complete a single. Very good running by the two batsmen JD and Yasir Mir. These are valuable runs for his team. They need these runs. They need only 25 runs in 22 deliveries. This is Muzaffar Raja again to the batsman JD. He's on 7 runs. Again good delivery. Very good delivery by Muzaffar Raja. Beat the batsman JD. Dot delivery. No runs score remains on 149 for the loss of 8. This is a very good bowling quality delivery by Muzaffar Raja. He's on his 4th over. He take already 2 wickets in his 3rd overs. Now he's again to the batsman JD. Slower delivery. The batsman plays a shot, but no run. Very good fielding at the end. Dot delivery. 25 runs in 20 deliveries. Only 4 big hitters need these two batsmen, but they need to be cool and calm. They need to be sitting here if they want to win this match, if they want to qualify for semi-finals. This is great shot played by the batsman. That 2 very good fielding at the end by the fielder, but the two batsmen complete 2 runs. This is 150 up for Chukar Zalmi. They need only 23 runs in 19 deliveries. Mir Mudassir Jimmy should play this over himself. It is last over of this spell. Thank you, Mir Mudassir, for you allowed to. This is Muzaffar Raja. He's on his last delivery of his last over. Jamil JD, he's on 9 runs. This is a very great fielding at the end by the fielder. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 2 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए फील्डर ने. They need 23 runs. Muzaffar Raja, he's on his last delivery of his last over. This is JD on strike. Very good shot played by the batsman. Zandan आता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन JD के पल्ले से. This is great hit shot played by the batsman. The score moves to 155 for the loss of 8. Now they need only 19 runs in 18 deliveries. This batsman JD need to be cool and calm. They need be sitting here. They have only 18 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. This is JD on strike. He's on 13 runs, and Yasir Mir, he's on 1. Mir Mudassir, great game of Jimmy Wallah. Thank you, Mudassir Saab, for your love to JD. Really, this batsman need to be cool and calm because this is very crucial match, important match. This match is a quarter final between the two teams. Now the new bowler is Asif Hamid is the new bowler to the batsman Yasir Mir. He's on strike. Hadashura 11. They need only 2 wickets to win this match. Not to only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of. यहाँ पे तमाशगीरों की कमी ही नहीं. यहाँ पे तमाशगीर. Huge crowd here at Chukartulba ground. खचाखच मैदान आज भरा हुआ है. यहाँ पे तमाशगीरों से सपोर्ट करने के लिए, अपने अपनी टीमों को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. Asif Hamid to the batsman Yasir Mir. This is great bowling by Yasir. Clean ball, डंडे बाहर किए यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज यासिर मीर के. This is great delivery by Asif Hamid. This is great delivery. Now Shukar Zalmi, they have only 1 wicket in hand and they need 19 runs to win this match. Hardashura 11, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition. This is great delivery by Asif Hamid. डंडे बाहर किए यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज आशिक यासिर मीर के. He take his 2nd wicket in his 3rd over. एक और बार यहाँ पे चांद फूंक दी इस बॉलर ने, आसिफ हमीद ने, इस टीम हरदशुरा की टीम में, क्योंकि एक बड़ा मुकाबला क्वार्टर फाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स. द विन विल is also qualify for the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup 3rd edition, which is played at Chukatulba ground. They need only 19 runs in 17 deliveries, and this is the last appear. Hardashura, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. This is very important match of this. This is last appear. Asif Hamid again to the batsman. Oh, this is good delivery by the bowler. Asif Hamid beat the batsman Mir Irish. No runs score remains on 155 for the last of 9. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They have 16 deliveries left and they need only 19 runs. This batsman need to be give strike to the batsman Chedi. Hardashura, they need only this wicket to win this match, to qualify in the semi-finals. This is Asif Hamid again to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery again. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 156 for the last of 9. This is a Chedi on strike. Can this batsman give win to his team? It will be seen. अगर हम चेडी की बात करेंगे तो इसमें क्षमता है, खेलने की कला है, गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में. आज उसका यहाँ पे टेस्ट चल रहा है कि अब आज इस मुकाबले में जीत दर्ज कर पाएगा कि नहीं. Oh, this is great delivery again by the bowler Asif Hamid. No run score remains on 156 for the last of 9. Hardashura 11, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. And Chukar Salmi, they need only 18 runs. This batsman Jamil need to be cool and calm because they have 14 deliveries left. Only 3 big hits they need. This is again Asif Hamid to the batsman Chedi. He is on 13 runs. Oh, again good delivery. Here's a ball. Very good delivery, but cannot impress the umpire Nadeem. This is great delivery by Asif Hamid. Dot delivery. No run score remains on 156 for the last of 9. This is last delivery of this over. Can this batsman JD take a strike? It will be seen after this delivery. This is high voltage match. 18 runs in 13 deliveries and they have only 1 wicket. Last appear. Oh, this is win for Hardashura. Very good.